Some crops weren't outlawed because they were dangerous. They were outlawed because of who grew them and who benefited. Hey, Plant Fam, it's Nurse Botanica from Elevated Roots LLC. Today we're talking about outlawed crops and what they reveal about Black history, land control, and survival. Throughout history, certain plants were restricted, regulated, or criminalized, not because of the plants themselves, but because they gave Black communities food, medicine, or economic independence. Take hemp, for example. For centuries, hemp was used for rope, cloth, medicine, and farming. But once Black farmers and formerly enslaved people began growing it successfully, laws shifted, limiting access and ownership. Cotton tells another story. It wasn't outlawed, it was controlled. Black labor built an entire economy, yet Black farmers were denied land ownership, fair wages, and generational wealth tied to the crop. Even food crops weren't immune. In some regions, Black communities were restricted from growing certain cash crops or selling produce independently, forcing dependence instead of self-sufficiency. And medicinal plants passed down through African and Caribbean traditions were often labeled illegal, unscientific, or dangerous once they existed outside colonial control. These laws weren't about safety. They were about power. Controlling crops meant controlling food. Controlling food meant controlling people. Understanding outlawed crops helps us understand why modern conversations around land access, food justice, and agricultural equity matter so much today. When we grow our own food, save seeds, or reclaim plant knowledge, we're not just gardening, we're restoring autonomy. If this helped connect history to the soil, save this video. Share it with someone learning Black history through a deeper lens. And tell me in the comments which crops you want to learn more about next.